Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Pariah. Noun. Pariahdom. Pariahhood. Pariahism. A pariah is someone who is rejected or despised by society, often due to social stigma, disgrace, or perceived inferiority. A person widely avoided or scorned, especially for transgressing social norms. An outcast or social reject, often marginalized by a community. By extension, a group or entity treated with contempt or exclusion. For example, a pariah state. After the scandal, the politician became a pariah, shunned by former allies. In high school, he was treated like a pariah after standing up to the popular crowd. The country's rogue actions turned it into a pariah state, facing global sanctions. Once a celebrated scientist, her controversial theories made her a pariah in academia. His pariahdom lasted for years until new evidence vindicated him. The artist's pariahdom only deepened after his radical manifesto was published. The whistleblower's pariahhood was the price of exposing corruption. Historical accounts describe the caste's pariahhood in stark, brutal terms. The novel explores themes of pariahism and societal rejection in a dystopian setting. Critics accuse the regime of institutionalized pariahism against dissidents. Key tips for test takers, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, or GMAT. 1. Likely question formats. Analogies. Pariah is to outcast versus luminary is to celebrity. Synonym relationship. Synonym selection. Which word is closest in meaning to pariah? Options: outcast, leader, benefactor, peer. Correct answer: outcast. Sentence completion. After the betrayal, he lived in blank, avoided by all who once admired him. Correct answer: pariahdom. 2. Common confusables. Pariah versus paragon, a model of excellence versus an outcast. Pariah versus peer, social equal versus social reject. Pariah versus patriot, traitorous connotations versus loyalist. 3. Relevant idioms or proverbs. He who touches pitch shall be defiled. Associating with a pariah risks guilt by association. Give a dog a bad name and hang him. Once labeled a pariah, redemption is hard. 4. Test-taking strategies. Context clues. Look for words like ostracized, shunned, exiled to infer pariah. Tone. Pariah often appears in negative or critical passages, politics, sociology, literature.